DSC 2024 Maths questions with solutions. First one, write the numbers 1 by 8, 0.04, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 0.14 in ascending order. Given numbers are 1 by 8, 0.04, 1 by 2, 2 by 5, 0.14. To write ascending order, all should be in the decimal. So converting into decimals, 1 by 8 is equals to 0.125. Second one, he given decimal only. Third one, fraction again. 1 by 2 means 0.5. Fourth one, 2 by 5 fraction. So converting into decimal, 0.4. Fifth one, as it is. So here ascending order means first 0 point after 0 there, 0.04. Then 1 we have to see. In the one both are there. So after 1 2 is there, after 1 4 is there. So smaller number 0.125. The next number 0.14. Next 0.4 is bigger number. Next 0.5 is bigger number. Therefore ascending order. So 0.04 as it is. Instead of 0.125 we should write given one 1 by 8. 0.14 as it is. 0.4 instead of we can write 2 by 5. 0.5 we can write as 1 by 2. So the ascending order is this one. Arithmetic mean of 7 observations is 32. If one more observation 48 is added to the data and an observation 34 is deleted from the data, then the mean of new data. So given mean of 7 observations is 32. So mean formula is what? Sum of the observations by number of observations. So mean he given as 32. Sum of observation we don't know. Number of observations given as 7. So 7 will come to LHS. 7 into 32, 224. So sum of observations we got 224. But here doing is what? If the observation is 48 is added, he told, and 34 is deleted. So then the new observations is 7 as it is, because instead of 34 we are taking 48. So number of observations there is no change. New data sum of observations means old data sum of observations. We have to add 48. We have to subtract 34. So 224 plus 48 minus 34 will give you result 238. So new mean is equals to new sum of observations by number of observations. So 238 by 7 is 34 is answer. If a number 32642A4 is divisible by 9, the value of A is options 3, 6, 7, 5. So here we have to do substituting the options wise. So given numbers are 32642A4. So digits are what? 3, 2, 6, 4, 2, A, 4. So sum of the digits we have to do. So 3 plus 2 plus 6 plus 4 plus 2 plus A plus 4. So all addition except A is what? 21. So 21 plus A. So first option is given as 3. So I am assuming A value 3. So what will be? 21 plus A is equals to 21 plus 3 is equal to 24. It is not divisible by 9. So A is not equal to 3. Next option is 6. So let A is equals to 6. 21 plus A, 21 plus 6 will give you 27. So it is divisible by 9. Therefore A answer is 6. If U is equals to X such that X is a natural number less than 19 and P is equals to X such that X is a multiple of 3 less than or equal to 18, then find P dash. So here given U is universal set X such that X is natural numbers. Natural numbers from 1, 2 and so on. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. Because less than 19. So we should not take 19 up to 18. Next P is equal to what? Multiple of 3 table and less than or equals to 18. So 3 1s are 3, 3 2s are 6, 3 3s are 9, 3 4s are 12, 3 5s are 15, 3 6s are 18. We have to stop and up to 18 only. Then P dash is equals to, P dash means subtraction of P from the universal set. So whole universal set minus this one. So meaning is what? We have to delete the P set. Means whatever the common elements you just mark it. 3 3, 6 6, 9 9, 12 12, 15 15, 18 18. So what left over? remaining all 1, 2, 4, 5, 7, 8, 10, 11, 13, 14, 16, 17 is the answer. When a transverse line cuts a pair of parallel lines, the number of pairs of corresponding angles formed are. So we'll take two parallel lines L and M. We'll take a transverse line T. So it makes 1, 2, 3, 4 angles, and here 5, 6, 7, 8. So here discussing about corresponding angles. Corresponding angles means 1 and 5. Next 2 and 6. Next 4 and 8. Next 3 and 7. All are corresponding. How many are there? 4 pairs are there. Therefore answer is 4 pairs of corresponding angles. If sin theta is equal to 0.6, then cos theta is equals to. So sin theta is equals to 0.6. So 6 by 10. 2 table cancellation. 2 3s are 2 5s are. So sin means what? Opposite by hypotenuse. So in the triangle, suppose here angle, opposite is 3, hypotenuse is 5. So cos theta is equals to adjacent by hypotenuse. So we know Pythagoras triplet 3, 4, 5. So two numbers are 3 and 5 means obviously the other side is 4. So adjacent side is 4 by 5 cos theta. So in the question given decimals, answer also asking in the decimals. So 4 by 5 is 0.8. The centroid of triangle whose vertices are minus 4, 9, 6, minus 2, 7, 5. So given points are ABC, x1, y1, x2, y2, x3, y3. Centroid of triangle is formula x1 plus x2 plus x3 by 3, y1 plus y2 plus y3 by 3. Substituting the points, so minus 4 plus 6 plus 7 by 3 will give you 9 by 3. Answer is 3. And here 9 minus 2 plus 5 by 3 will give you answer 12 by 3, 4. Therefore, the centroid of triangle is 3, 4. A shopkeeper buys a mobile phone for 8,500 and gains a profit of 9% on selling it. The selling price of the mobile phone is. So given cost price is 8,500 because buys means cost price. Next, profit percentage is equals to 9%. So profit percentage is called formula profit by cost price into 100. So profit percentage is 9. Profit means selling price minus cost price by cost price into 100. So 9 is equals to selling price we don't know. Cost price is 8,500 into 100 by 8,500. 100 cancel. 85 will goes to left side. 85 9s are, and selling price minus 8,500 will goes to left side. Addition. So 9 into 85 is 765 plus 8,500. Therefore selling price is 9,265. A rectangular piece of dimensions 5 cm by 3 cm was cut from a rectangular sheet of the paper of dimension 16 cm by 12 cm. Area of the remaining sheet paper is asking. So first we will write bigger one sheet of paper, smaller one piece of paper. So area is equals to formula length into breadth. So area of rectangle is equals to 16 into 12 will give you 192 centimeter square. So area of the rectangular, so 5 into 3, 15 centimeter square. So area of remaining sheet means total sheet minus piece of the paper. So 192 minus 15 will give you 177 centimeter square. Which of the following coordinates of a point represents a quadrant 4 in the Cartesian system? So we well known Cartesian system, quadrant 1, quadrant 2, quadrant 3, quadrant 4. In the quadrant 1, x and y both positive. In the second quad, negative x-axis, positive y-axis. In third, both are negative. In fourth, positive x, negative y. So it is discussing about quadrant 4. So coordinates of the points x, y, positive x, negative y. So positive means x greater than 0 and negative means y values are less than 0. Answer. If 1 comma minus 1, 6 comma 4, r comma 2 are collinear, then find r. So collinear means 4-5 topics are there. In that, slopes concept is very easy. So given points ABC are collinear. So slope of any two lines are equal. So I am taking here AB slope and BC slope. So slope formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So here I am taking 6 minus of minus 1 by 6 minus 1 is equals to BC means 2 minus 4 by r minus 6. So result is minus into minus plus, 5 by 5 will cancel 1. Here minus 2 by r minus 6 will goes to LHS. R minus 6 is equal to minus 2. Minus will come this side plus. Therefore, final answer r is equals to 4. The least number that is divisible by all the numbers from 3 to 8. First option 3360, second option 1680, third option 840, fourth option 420. So it is discussing about least number. So I am taking first fourth option 420. Here 420 is not divisible by 8. So it is not the fourth option. Next one least number is 840. So 840 will check. 8 plus 4 12. So divisible by 3. Last two digits 4 table divisible. Last number 0 divisible by 5. And it is divisible by 3 table as well as 2 table. So divisible by 6. 840. It will goes in the 7 table. And next it will goes in the 8 table also. So answer is third option 840. The base of a right prism is equilateral triangle whose sides is 4 centimeters. If height of this prism is 2 root 3 centimeter, then the total surface area of the prism. So side of the equilateral triangle is A is equal to 4. Height of the prism is 2 root 3. Total surface area of the prism is equals to area of the equilateral triangle plus perimeter of the equilateral triangle into height. So area of the equilateral triangle formula root 3 by 2 a square plus perimeter of the equilateral means 3 into sides. So 3a into height means h. So substitute the values. So root 3 by 2. 2 1s are 2 2s are cancel. So 2 4s are 8 root 3. Here 3 into 4 into 2 root 3. So here result is 24 root 3. So 8 plus 24 will give you 32 root 3 is centimeter square answer. If 2m minus 7 comma m plus 5 and 3m plus 2 are 3 consecutive terms of AP, then find m. So in AP what numbers are there? 2m minus 7, m plus 5, 3m plus 2. So AP means general will take ABC. So ABC in AP, what is the condition? 2 into middle is equals to first and last addition. So 2 into middle is m plus 5. First term is 2m minus 7. Last term is 3m plus 2. So multiple by 2 table. 2m, 2 5 is 10. 2m plus 3m, 5m. Minus 7 plus 2 is minus 5. Then taking the like terms. So 10 plus 5 is 15. 5n minus 2m is 3m. So 3 1s are 3 5s are. So therefore m is equal to answer is 5. The quadratic equation q of x with the roots 11 and 13 is. So roots are given alpha is equal to 11, beta is equals to 13. Quadratic equation formula x square minus of alpha plus beta into x plus alpha beta is equals to 0. So here x square minus 11 plus 13x plus 11 into 13. So 11 plus 13 is 24x. 11 into 13 is 143. So the answer is x square minus 24x plus 143 is equal to 0. The equation of the line passing through the point of intersection of the x plus 2y minus 6 is equal to 0 and 2x plus y is equals to 2, which is parallel to y-axis. So first equation 1, second equation taking all the terms to one side, number 2. So solving means in 10th class elimination method. So here 2 table, second equation multiplied by 2 table. The first equation I am writing as it is. So changing the sign, 2x cancel, 3x plus 2 is equals to 0. That is answer. If the surface area of the cube is 864 centimeter square, then its value. So surface area of the cube formula 6a square is equals to 864. So 6 1s are 6 144s are cancelled. So a square is equals to 12 square, a is equals to 12 centimeters. So volume of the cube formula, a cube, 12, 12, 12. The final answer is 1728 centimeter cube. A right circular cylinder tunnel of the diameter is 7 meters and height is nothing but length 5 meters is to be constructed from the sheet of the iron. The area of the iron sheet required is, in this problem use pi value as 22 by 7. So diameter of the cylinder is 7 meter, then the radius is half, so 7 by 2 meters. So given pi value 22 by 7, length of the cylinder is height h 5 meters. So he asked area of the iron sheet. So we have to take lateral surface area. We should not take total surface, only lateral. So 2 pi r h, 2 into 22 by 7 into 7 by 2 into 5. So cancellation, left over 22 into 5, 110 meters square. If the perimeter of the base of a square of the pyramid is 20 centimeters and height is 3 centimeter, then its volume is. So perimeter of the square formula 4 into side is equals to, he is given as 20. So 4 ones are 4 5s are. Side is equals to 5. That I am taking A. So given height h is equal to 3. So volume of the square base pyramid is equals to formula a square into h by 3. So 5 square into 3 by 3. 3 3 cancel. 5 square answer 25. Volume na centimeter cube answer. The angles of a triangle are in the ratio 2:1:1, then the ratio of its longest side to its perimeter is. So given angles are in the ratio A, B, C is equals to 2:1:1. So indirectly 2 angles are equal. The third angle is double. So B and C I am taking 45, 45 and A I am taking double 90. So 2 equal sides that I am taking AB, AC is equals A, and hypotenuse square is equals to side square plus side square, because it is a right angle triangle Pythagoras theorem. So BC square is equals to side square plus side square 2A square. The third side is root 2A, that is longest side. What he asked, the ratio of the longest and its perimeter. So that I found longest side is root 2A by perimeter means sum of the sides. So 2 sides A plus A, the longest side is root 2A. So A plus A 2A. So here 2 I am writing as root 2 into root 2. Next in the numerator root 2A is there. So denominator also I am trying to take common root 2 and A. So what left over? Denominator only root 2. Here nothing means 1. Cancellation. So answer is 1 by 1 plus root 2 is answer. A sum of 15,000 is shared among the 3 persons A, B, C, in that B gets double amount to A. C gets 300 more than the double amount to B. Then the amount received by C. So 15,000 is among 3 na. So A plus B plus C is equals to 15,000. So B gets double of A na. So B is equal to 2A. C gets 300 more than double of B. So C is equal to 2B plus 300. So instead of B I can write 2A. So C value 4A plus 300. So substitute everything in the above. So we'll get A value as 2100. But we need C now. So substitute here. So C value is equals to 8700. If 2x plus 3y minus 7 is equal to 0 and minus kx plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 are perpendicular to each other, then the value of k. It is topic from intermediate. So given lines equation 1 and equation 2. So perpendicular means we have to discuss slopes. So slope of the formula minus a by b. So m1 is equals to first line minus 2 by 3. Next m2 is equals to second line minus of minus k by 4. Same formula again. So here minus of minus plus. So in the perpendicular m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. So m1 value into m2 value is equals to minus 1. Minus minus cancel. 2 1s are 2 2s are 3 2s are 6. Therefore K answer is 6. The HCF of 720 and 1080. So we'll take the prime factoration 720 ka prime factoration as well as 1080 का prime factoration. So 720 we can write as 2 power 4, 3 square, 5 power 1. 1080 का 2 cube, 5 power 1, 3 cube. So HCF means highest common factor. So in 2 power 4, 2 power 3, 2 power 3 we have to take. 3 square and 3 cube we have to take 3 square. 5 power 1, 5 power 1 both are same now. 5 power 1 enough. So result is 360. When Raju is asked about his age, he replied, if you subtracted 5 times my age from the square of my age, the result is 6. Then his age is. Let the person age is x. So what is telling? If you subtract 5 times from the square, so x square minus 5x, the result is 6 he told. So is equals to 6. Take to left side. We have to do factorization. So x square minus 5x minus 6 means first and last product is minus 6 x square. So we minus 5 we can write as minus 6x plus x. So taking common, again taking common of x minus 6, x plus 1 left over. So x is equal to either 6, x is equals to minus 1. But it is discussing about age na, negative is not possible. Therefore answer x is equals to 6. The sum of interior angles of a polygon is 2160. The number of sides of the polygon. So sum of interior angles formula in terms of number of polygons is n minus 2 into 180 degrees. So sum of is given as 2160 is equals to n minus 2 into 180. So 180 ones are, 12s are cancelled, minus 2 will come this side plus 2. So therefore n is equals to 14 answer. If log 2 base 10 answer is 0.3010, then log 40 base 10 answer is how much? So given log 40 base 10, so 40 we can write as 4 tens are. It is looking like log AB formula, log A plus log B. So log 10 base 10 answer is 1 we know. So 4 we can write as 2 square. In the logarithm, the power will come in front of the logarithm. 2 log 2 base 10 plus 1 as it is. So log 2 value multiplied, then addition. Therefore answer is log 40 base 10 answer is 1.6020. The difference between the greatest and smallest 5-digit number formed by 64309. So greatest 5-digit number, bigger number. So 96430. Descending order. The smallest 5-digit number means smaller to bigger. If you start from with 0, it will becomes 4 digit. So you have to start from smaller number 3. Then starting smaller number 0. Then smaller number 4, 6, 9. The difference he asked. So subtraction will give you 65,961. If A is equals to 2, 4, 7, 9 set, B set is equals to 1, 3, 4, 7, 10, 11. Then the cardinality of A union B. So first, what is A union B? A union B is equals to writing all the elements. But repeated elements we should not write. So first I am marking repeated elements 4, 4, 7, 7. We will write only once. So writing in a smallest to highest 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 7, then smaller number 9, next 10, next 11. So number of A union B is nothing but cardinality. 8 numbers are there. Therefore answer. The area of the two similar triangles are 121 centimeter square and 81 centimeter square. If the altitude of the bigger triangle is 11 centimeter, the length of the corresponding altitude of smaller triangle is asking. So two triangles, similar triangles, discussing about altitudes. So area of the bigger triangle by area of the smaller triangle is equals to the square of the altitude by the square of the smaller triangle altitude. So 121 by 81 is equals to 11 square by h2 we don't know. So 11 square answer 121, 121 gets cancelled, cross multiplication, h2 square is equal to 81. So root 81 answer is 9 centimeters. If AB is in AP and B minus A, C minus B and A in GP, then find ABC. So here given options 1, 2, 3, 4. So we have to check with options wise. So first option, A value 4, B value 5, C value 6. Of course these three are in AP. Common difference is there. So next is asking about GP now. So B minus A means 5 minus 4 is 1. C minus B is 1. Next A value 4. So 1 by 1 is answer 1. But 4 by 1 answer is not 1 na. So it is not in GP. We'll check second option. A value 3 and B value 4, C value 5 are in AP. Next B minus A means 4 minus 3, 1. C minus B also 1. But A value here 3. So it is not in GP. Next coming to third option. A value 1, B value 2, C value 3. Of course it is in AP. Next B minus A 1, C minus B also 1 and A is 1. So common ratio also 1, 1, 1. So it is in GP. So finally A is to B is to C is equals to 1 is to 2 is to 3. A fraction becomes 1 by 3 when 2 is subtracted from the numerator, and it becomes 1 by 4 when 16 is added to the denominator. So it is two discussion. Let a fraction x by y. If 2 is subtracted to the numerator means x minus 2 by y is equals to 1 by 3. If 16 is added to the denominator means x by y plus 16 is equals to will give you 1 by 4. So cross multiplication. Here also cross multiplications. Two equations we got. Substituting equation 1 in the equation 2. So we'll get x value as 10. That you substitute in equation either 1 or 2. Here I am substituting 1. We'll get y value as 24. Therefore fraction means x by y is equals to 10 by 24. Cancellation 5 by 12 is answer. If A is equals to 1, 3, 6, 8, 10, 11 is a set. B set is equal to 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 12. Then A minus B means first set minus second set. So we have to remove the total overall second set. So first we'll check common elements. 3, 3, 6, 6. So in the first set 3 and 6 also should be removed, and second set each and every should be removed. So what left are here? 1, 8, 10, 11. We should not write 2, 7, 9, 12 also. So the answer is, if tan 53 degrees is equals to 4 by 3, then find tan 8 degrees. It is also from intermediate topic ma. So 53 and 8 common what? 45 is there. Means 45 plus 8 is equals to 53. Tan 45 you know the value na. So we have to take this formula only. So tan 53 is equals to tan of 45 plus 8. Tan of A plus B formula. Tan A plus tan B by 1 minus tan A into tan B. So tan 45 value 1 plus tan 8 by 1 minus 1 into tan 8 is tan 8. Tan 53 value replace. So cross multiplication. Take the like terms to one side. So 7 tan 8 is equals to 1. Therefore tan 8 degrees is equal to 1 by 7. Chandini and Nandini working separately can do a piece of work in 20 days and 30 days respectively. If they work on alternate days beginning with Chandini, the number of days required to complete the work is. So Chandini work in 20 days. Then the work unit of A is equals to 1 by 20. Nandini work in 30 days. The work unit by B is equals to 1 by 30. So Chandini start the work and then alternately Nandini do continuation of the work. Then in 2 days A work done and then B work completed. So in 2 days 1 by 20 plus 1 by 30. So 20 and 30 LCM is 60. So here 3 times, here 2 times not covered. So 5 by 60. 5 ones are 5 12s are. So 2 days is equals to 1 by 12 is nothing but work done in a total. So 12 2s are 24. Therefore total number of days is 24 days. Under root of 0.00001225 by 0.00002304. So under root of, here 8 numbers before point is there, 8 numbers before point is there. So point cancel, only 1225 by 2304 left over. So 1225 means 35 square. 2304 means 48 square. Square root cancel, answer is 35 by 48. From the top of the building of 60 meters of the height, the angle of depressions of the top and bottom of the tower are observed as 30 degrees, 60 degrees respectively. Then the height of the tower is. So we'll assume here building. Here we'll assume tower. So building height is given as 60. From the top of the building, we are observing top of the tower and bottom of the tower of 30 degrees depression means here 30 will come. Obviously here 30 will come. 60 degrees depression means here also 60 will come. So we'll join these two. So here if you take base D means this is also D. And here height I am taking X. Here I am taking Y. Together is 60. And here TL height is X means the tower height also X. So we need to find height of the tower means we need to find the value of X. So building height is AD is equal to 60 means X plus Y is equal to 60. Base I am taking, height I am taking. So here two triangles are formed, smaller, then we'll discuss bigger. So smaller, tan 30 is equals to opposite by adjacent. So Y by D. So tan 30 value root 3. Then Y value is cross multiplication. D is equals to root 3Y. Next bigger triangle ADE. Tan 60 is equals to opposite total 60 by adjacent D. So tan 60 value root 3. So cross multiplication D is equals to 60 by root 3. So 60 we can write 3 into 20. 3 we can write root 3 cancel. D value we got. But I need X na. So we'll find first Y. Substituting in the second equation we'll get Y value as 20. So substituting in the first equation. So 20 plus X is equal to 60. Therefore X is equals to 40. Height of the tower is answer. The coordinates of the points of intersection of the line segment joining the points is. So here it is discussing about the trisection. Trisection means it divides as 1:2 ratio or 2:1 ratio. So two partitions will write. One case is 1:2, second case is 2:1. So section formula will known mx2 plus nx1 by m plus n, my2 plus ny1 by m plus n. So substituting all the points, we will get answer as 2, 2. And in the next case, substituting the Q, here ratio is m:n 2:1. Substituting the points, we'll get answer as 5, 0. If tan A is equals to 0.75, then find cos A. So tan A means 75 by 100 here. So 25 3s are 25 4s are opposite by adjacent. So 3, 4. So already we told Pythagoras triplet 3, 4 will come means other side is 5. Cos means adjacent by hypotenuse. So 4 by 5. So decimal is 0.8 is answer. The area of the triangle whose vertices are 2, 3, minus 1, 0, minus 2, 3. So area of triangle formula half mod x1 y2 minus y3 plus x2 y3 minus y1 plus x3 y1 minus y2. So half mod, substituting all the points, 3 cancel. So multiplication minus 12 by 2 means minus 6. So area means positive answer should be na. So final answer is 6. Which of the following measures does not represent sides of the triangle? So options 1, 2, 3, 4. So represents a triangle means sum of the two sides should be greater than AC. So we'll check sum of the any two sides. So first option is 3, 5, 9. So we'll add smaller numbers. 3 plus 5 will give you 8. But 8 is not less than the 9. Na? So less than 8 is less than 9. But it should be greater than AC. Na? So which is contradiction. Therefore 3, 5, 9 are not represents a side of the triangle. If sin theta is equals to 3 by 4, then cos 2 theta. So sin theta is equals to 3 by 4. I am not checking with Pythagoras triplet because cos 2 theta trigonometry formula is there. 1 minus 2 sin square theta, intermediate formula. So 1 minus 2 sin square theta means 3 by 4 into 3 by 4. Cancellation. So 1 minus 9 by 8. LCM 8 minus 9 by 8 is minus 1 by 8. A line AB passes through the points A and B. Then the slope of the line perpendicular to the AB. So first we will find slope of the AB, then we will come to the perpendicular. So slope of AB means here given points. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we will get m1 is equals to 3 by 4. Let m2 be the slope of the perpendicular line. So in the perpendicular we already discussed m1 m2 is equals to minus 1. So m1 value m2 minus 1. So the final answer is minus 4 by 3. The zero of the polynomial x cube minus 3x square plus 2x. So first we will check any common numbers. So here x is there. So taking x common. Next quadratic equation factorization. So minus 3 we can write as minus 2 minus 1. Then common of minus 1. So again common of x minus 2. So what left over here? X into x minus 2, x minus 1. So x value is how much here? Nothing means 0. Here plus 2. Here plus 1. So out of 3 in the given option is 2. Therefore x is equals to 2.